birthday because without me, she wouldn't be a mom. So that means I guess we have to celebrate brunch together, but it's really my birthday. And we're meeting Julia and Haley and Ryan. And we're gonna eat at the Goat, and it's gonna be so good. And it's gonna be like, oh, happy Mother's Day! And I'm gonna be like, birthday! Birthday, birthday, birthday! Yeah, that's it. I'm a graduate, and it's my birthday.
How many more things can you fit in a weekend?
Not many. I don't think we can fit many more. But yeah, dog. Made it to brunch. Ryan walks in. Here we go. Ryan walks in and he sees all of us have drinks. He opens the menu. The first alcoholic thing he sees is a breakfast shot. So here we are. Do it, do it, do it, do it. On an empty stomach. Yeah, I want to smell it.
I want to feel it.
It's weird.
I wasn't expecting.
It smells like blueberry vodka.
Me neither.
No, yeah, I'm like a little thrown off by it.
A little cream in there. Yeah.
Yeah, straight like liquor.
Is it good?
Yeah.
Does it just taste like blueberry vodka?
It tastes like a pancake. Is it the butterscotch in there?
Yeah. That's so weird. I got a Bloody Mary, mimosa, bloody and bacon. It's my birthday, as I've said. Ooh, it worked. We're gonna go bowling. Ryan's gonna take me bowling. But right now he's checking the mail because I guess my gift hasn't come, which is fine. But if it did come, that'd be cool. But yeah, it's kind of chilly, but it's getting nicer out with the sun. And then we're going to dinner at 4, which we're not even gonna be hungry for. Oh, wait. Look at this green wall. Look at this. This could be a good picture, please. It's so fake. It's so funny. I think it's fake. Yeah, it's definitely fake. But the lighting's a little harsh because the sun is right here, so that might not work. I'm looking for a place to get a picture for my birthday post. This is like literally people's living quarters, but it's cute. So, do it for the gram. I can still beat you.
Doubtful.
Oh. We're bowling at this weird place. This is not flat, but pretty much won't hold. But pretty much we just paid for our shoes and then we pay for the bowling after. We'll just play one game.
Yeah.
And that's maybe we'll play in the arcade if it's not gonna break the bank. Like, what does that even mean?
I bet you it's like $12 a game.
It's weird. But whatever, we'll have fun beating Ryan. Beat Ryan's birthday. Celebrate your birthday with us. It's my birthday.
They know. All right. Enter. How many bowlers?
2.
This place, we haven't updated since like 1998.
Will there be 2 bowlers? If this is correct, press Y or enter. Enter. We should play as 4 people.
Huh?
We should play as 4 people. Then we can each go twice.
Really? Okay.
Should we do that?
Yeah, let's do it.
4.
Winner.
Winner? Aww.
Winnie.
How do I go back? I don't think you can. Oh. What do you want your name to be?
Loser. Okay. Fair. At least mine is spelled correctly.
Loser. What should my second name be? Clean and King.
Alright.
Is the spelling and bowling okay? Yes. Please do not bring drinks on the food. Please be
fragile. I'm also fragile. Coconuts.
This place is so retro.
This alley was like made in the 40s.
This place has been the same since we were
Oh yeah, I missed that, sorry. What is that, 8?
This is going that one just keeps wobbling down there. This is going terribly bad for me. Nada. You have one more? Oh. So I just realized that they might check this one. Also, I'm losing really bad. I've gotten 1, 4, 6, 2. I suck. 3 more rounds to go. We have winner with 33, loser with 42, queen with 37, and king with 51. But I just got a strike, so.
I didn't realize you were recording me.
We have 3 more to go.
I didn't reset it.
Way to be inconsiderate. You're so inconsiderate. Get him.
Yeah.
I won 1. No, I didn't even win. I just beat him and won. Oh. Let's see what he gets. He's gonna win no matter what. Looks like a poop.
Make me laugh. It does.
It was a gutter ball. It was a gutter ball. So, confession time. I didn't film at dinner. I'm a flop. But, I'll show you the table. Because it's a cute table. We got me, me, mom, 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 me, mom. Me. I don't know why I had to detailed go through that. But we're gonna eat cupcakes and open presents and it's gonna be great. You can. It's not your birthday. You don't get to have Mother's Day and your birthday.
Alright, too late.
Can it be my birthday?
It's my birthday.
No, no more.
No more.
Look, I got a card with my suitcase from my birthday.
No.
Oh, that's a nice suitcase.
It's an anniversary card?
No, you get an anniversary card. You get a Mother's Day card.
You can like, here, I'll just set it up somewhere.
Is that like a Jewish card number?
I know this is Mother's Day and you're my wife, not my mother. But.
And she can carry me anyway. So true.
Where did the donkeys come from?
Is that where I have
You win that for you until you didn't win it, but you actually did.
316.19 is perfect. Look at all that cheese. Probably really good cheese too.
Is this like a,
Dude,
like a
birthday ball.
Oh, right. It's repurposed.
Happy birthday! We love you back today. We love you every day. I love you more today. I love you more today. We're gonna fish fillet. We're gonna do my day. We're gonna go finger day. We're annoying you. That's what we're supposed to do. We're zombies almost through. And that gets done.
Oh, that's on.
Hold it in the middle.
Yeah, it's repurposed. It's Rooney. You want this on it?
It's only happy.
There's only on it. Put it on my sticker.
I bet you one's your best sister.
My sister card, your Mother's Day cards. You're out. You're right on. Oh, yeah.
I saw a card like that where there's like a crying baby when you open it, and then it doesn't
Oh, you
shut
made
off
a
until you
book?
tear it open.
Perfect, isn't it?
Perfect. See, I taught her well.
I suggest.
No, you didn't. You knew nothing about it.
Yay! These are the best. Just so close.
I cut down the trees myself.
Yeah.
Okay, they were not even that.
Excuse
Dad
me.
wasn't involved at all, but
I pulped that paper. Pressed it.
Ah, look at the kids!
Two cats in there. Wow.
Completely silent at the
Look
photos
at
of his children.
them! Look at how short Tim's
Love
hair
it.
was.
Oh yeah.
wait, could you say that one more time for the people at home?
Best Mother's Day gift ever. Ah.
Woo!
Those are the
Back
best.
to my
Yo-yo.
back to my reading of my card. Doot, doot.
Oh wait,
We're-
it's still Mother's Day. Sorry, this is mine.
Okay.
I had no idea you made
Understand's
this.
not over
I
yet.
seriously thought this was Mariah's. I'm like, Timothy made my card. And then I look closer. I'm like, oh my God, that's Timothy! Because there's like flowers and stuff on the front. I really thought it was.
I thought that was my handwriting.
Well,
You good kid.
yeah, I just. Thanks, Tim.
You're welcome.
I really
What's this say on the
didn't.
inside?
Who would have thought Tim would put grass and flowers on the front of my card?
What's this say on the inside?
I think the front cover.
I think I covered all the bases on the front page of this holiday, for this holiday, from Tim.
Finally that time when no one cares about your age. Don't worry, though. In 3 years, you can rent a car.
It's true.
From Tim.
It's true. Now look at who this is to and from. This is hilarious. Look at it.
Bland, too bland chicken. From Cool Guy.
Bland chicken.
That's how you think of me, as a bland chicken.
That's funny.
Ooh, I got a fast board holding two, boy.
Mine's more masculine.
Yeah, but hers
I
has
would
a
hope
pen.
mine isn't masculine. Mine has a pen,
That's
and
pretty.
it's shiny.
Oh, they're gonna stop you doing customs with that thing.
I've already been through customs. I'm scared. Wait, we don't have to go through customs.
Yeah, we do.
Get going there.
Cruise, you know. Come back international.
Don't put any fruit in your pocket.
Oh my God! Yeah,
You're
fruit.
not allowed to bring
It's like
fruit.
5 years in prison.
Yeah.
Is it really?
What?
No,
That's
yeah.
Foil?
It's a grass, but it's called, and it gets on your boat and then it spreads.
I got it for you, but I must have had my size in there because I just noticed last night when I was making it that it's an extra large.
That's an extra large.
Well, I think you can try it on, and I'm sure the shorts are gonna be.
It's a
way too
very
big.
small extra
Well, I
large.
know,
Little,
yeah.
see-through.
Well, they are.
Like how you had the.
I need what I think they are.
They have vanilla.
Yeah, they are.
Do you like them? I said. I mean, the other. You didn't want the leather ones, right?
Oh, you might not part.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday,
Are you filming all this? Oh
Happy birthday to you.
Did you get in that? She stinks.
Golly, golly.
So I just dropped Ryan off, and the festivities have come to a close. It's the end of my birthday. It was a great day. I had good fun. I had good fun. I had a great time with my family and friends. And yeah, I need to go get ready for school and work tomorrow. The grind doesn't stop. No. But yeah, I still have to long-term sub till June 19th, so gotta go teach them kids. Gotta go learn them some stuff. So I need to go shower and go to bed. But I hope you enjoyed today's video of my birthday, and like and subscribe for more, and leave any ideas for videos you have down below. And yeah, bye.